Building a stronger food security system. IGAD is taking a multifaceted approach to building stronger, more resilient food security and nutrition systems in the region. The strategy also focuses on improving nutrition and health outcomes for vulnerable populations, enhancing emergency response and recovery mechanisms to reduce the impact of climate-related disasters and conflicts on food security, boosting disaster preparedness and agricultural trade to increase the region's resilience to climate-related shocks, improving nutrition and health outcomes for vulnerable populations, including children, pregnant women, and the elderly, strengthening regional coordination and cooperation to ensure a unified response to food and nutrition security challenges, strengthening emergency response and recovery mechanisms. The strategy emphasizes the importance of strengthening emergency response and recovery mechanisms to reduce the impact of climate-related disasters and conflicts on food security. This includes developing and implementing early warning systems to predict and prepare for climate-related disasters, enhancing the capacity of regional and national authorities to respond to emergencies and provide humanitarian assistance, improving the coordination and cooperation among regional and international partners to ensure a unified response to food and nutrition security challenges, boosting disaster preparedness and agricultural trade. The strategy also focuses on boosting disaster preparedness and agricultural trade to increase the region's resilience to climate-related shocks. Regional food systems approach. The FSRP takes a holistic approach to addressing the challenges facing regional food systems, focusing on the interconnectedness of food systems across borders. This approach recognizes that food systems are not isolated entities, but rather complex networks of actors, institutions, and systems that interact and influence one another. By adopting a regional lens, the FSRP aims to strengthen national food systems by addressing the transboundary nature of food system challenges. By facilitating the free movement of goods, Igad is promoting economic growth and development in the region, facilitates the movement of goods and services across borders, increases economic efficiency and reduces transaction costs, enhances competition and promotes innovation, increases access to new markets and customers, supports the growth of small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs. By removing trade barriers, Igad is creating an environment that allows for the free movement of goods. This not only stabilizes food supply and prices but also increases incomes for farmers. Igad's approach is centered around the concept of One Health, which emphasizes the interconnectedness of human, animal, and environmental health. The IGAD Climate Resilient Agriculture Program, which focuses on improving agricultural productivity and resilience in the face of climate change. The IGAD Animal Health Program, which aims to strengthen animal health systems and reduce the impact of animal diseases on human health and livelihoods. The IGAD Nutrition Program, which works to improve nutrition outcomes and address micronutrient deficiencies. The IGAD Resilience and Livelihoods Program, which focuses on building resilience and improving livelihoods for vulnerable populations. Technical expertise and capacity building. These institutions and programs provide technical expertise, data, and training to support the development of food security, nutrition, and resilience strategies. For example, the IGAD Climate Resilient Agriculture Program provides training and technical assistance to farmers and agricultural extension agents on climate-resilient agricultural practices. The program also supports the development of climate-resilient agricultural technologies, such as drought-tolerant crop varieties and conservation agriculture practices. The importance of cross-border initiatives. Cross-border initiatives are crucial for addressing transboundary livestock diseases, which can have devastating effects on local communities and economies. These diseases can spread rapidly across borders, causing significant losses to livestock keepers and threatening the livelihoods of entire communities. Examples of transboundary diseases include foot and mouth disease, anthrax, and brucellosis. These diseases can be spread through various means, including animal movement, contaminated feed, and poor hygiene practices. This collaborative approach enables countries to address pressing agricultural challenges, such as food insecurity, poverty, and climate change. Conducting policy analysis and research, Igad CEAP conducts in-depth analyses of existing policies and researches best practices in agricultural policymaking. Providing training and capacity building, the center offers training and capacity building programs for policymakers, farmers, and other stakeholders to enhance their understanding of agricultural policy and its implementation. Convening policy dialogues, Igad CEAP convenes policy dialogues and workshops to bring together policymakers, farmers, and other stakeholders to discuss and address pressing agricultural challenges. Addressing pressing agricultural challenges, Igad CEAP addresses pressing agricultural challenges such as food insecurity, poverty, and climate change through its research, training, and policy dialogues. The school's curriculum is designed to address the specific needs of the region, focusing on animal health, disease control, and sustainable livestock production. Develop a skilled workforce in veterinary sciences, paraveterinarians, and community animal health workers. Conduct research and provide technical assistance to address the specific needs of the region. Establish partnerships with local and international organizations to promote collaboration and knowledge sharing. Improve animal health and welfare in arid and semi-arid regions through education and community engagement. The curriculum and training programs ISTVS offers a range of training programs and courses that cater to the specific needs of the region. The curriculum is designed to address the unique challenges of arid and semi-arid environments, focusing on animal health, disease control, and sustainable livestock production. The school's training programs include veterinary medicine and surgery, animal nutrition and health, parasitology and disease control, livestock production and management, community animal health and welfare. The role of ISTVS in the region. ISTVS plays a critical role in the development of the region, providing training and research in veterinary sciences tailored to the specific needs of arid and semi-arid environments. Instead, it focuses on building resilience through sustainable agriculture practices, climate information services, and early warning systems. Improved soil health, increased crop yields, reduced erosion, enhanced biodiversity, improved livelihoods for farmers. Climate information services. Climate information services are another critical component of the IGAD drought, disaster resilience, and sustainability initiative. These services provide farmers with critical information about weather patterns, climate trends, and drought risk. This information enables farmers to make informed decisions about planting, harvesting, and managing their crops. For example, in Kenya, the National Meteorological Service of Kenya provides climate information services to farmers through a mobile app. Regional cooperation and coordination. IGAD plays a vital role in regional cooperation and coordination, bringing together member states to address common challenges and opportunities. The organization's efforts focus on promoting peace, security, and stability in the region, as well as fostering economic growth and development. Enhancing regional security and stability, promoting economic growth and development, strengthening regional institutions and capacities, addressing climate change and environmental degradation, fostering regional cooperation and integration. Programs and projects. Igad's programs and projects are designed to turn the organization's strategies into reality.